Door sensor misreads closed as open. Loosen the 4 screws at the bottom. Open the bottom. Loosen the 4 screws on the cabinet. Turn to the top. Remove the filter. Open the door. Pull out the black sealing strip. Remove the 3 mounting screws. Remove the 3 mounting screws at the rear. Open the door and slide the top. Cover forward to remove it. Unplug the terminal connector. Remove the 4 mounting screws. Open the door and lift upward. To remove the housing unit, check for loose terminal connections. If intact, replace the temperature sensor. Put back into the housing unit. Close the door. Install the 4 screws back. Put the terminal back in. Align the clip with the hole below. Slide it back into place from front to rear. Reinstall the 3 screws on the back. Reinstall the 3 screws on the door. Reinstall the black sealing strip. Reinstall the filter by turning it clockwise. Reinstall the screws on both sides of the cabinet. Finally, reinstall the 4 screws at the bottom.